This is my natural swimming pool. The middle area is for swimming and the shallows all around are for animals and plants. They keep the water clean so there's no need for chemicals. I made this pool myself so it didn't cost much, and anyway, I can't think of any work more satisfying than building a pond. I made the foundations for a wall that would one day define the swimming area. A digger driver helped now and again while shaping the pool. My kids provided plenty of helpful distractions. The fleece underliner was laid, ready for the liner. At 500 kilograms, this monster took some persuading to unfurl. Another fleece liner on top, then layers of shingle and subsoil saved from the original digging. And all the time the pond was filling with rainwater, so it just needed some plants and time to let the wildlife move in.
Wow!
Good job, Sophie!
Look at Jasper go his first swim ever. First swimming, Jasper.